flower, June, July in bloom, Saponaria of Etna is a symbol. But Etna is open, so the gas go out. In the sky, 1 kilometer, cool down, and then fall here like a rock. But inside is still hot. So we say lava bomb because it's an amphitheater called caldera.
Okay.
Where magma became lava. Magma inside build the crater around. Then when the eruption finished, it takes to Etna the fertilizer. Now we walk around the rim. Now we go there, and there is the second amphitheater. Yes. Now, millimeters more, you can stand up. I'm arachnophobic. So in summer, I have to check every spider where it is, and I start to give names. It is the only way to don't fall down when I see one. Yeah, no, we have only one that it's a little bit poisonous, but it bites you. You have just a little bit of irritations or something, but no problem. Petersburg, Russia, Hermitage Museum. 1784, La Grotte de la Neige, the snow cave.
See, they all look like pistachios.
Etna area, you do the Alberello Etneo training onto the chestnut poles. Fermentation. And here, in the cold fermentation, transform in a wine. And for the film part, for evolution,